What's up, guys? Today we're going to do stuff. By that I mean funny sound effects. So I'll just be silent for like the next minute and I'll just do sound effects. And at the end of the video, I think I'll do like some voice lines from Forsaken or something. Yes. I am the man who did the gritty.
Wow!
Anyways, okay. More sound effects.
Uh-oh.